Good day to my lecturer and everyone. Today my friends and I going to talk about Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, born in 21 August 1986, is a retired Jamaican sprinter, widely considered to be the greatest sprinter of all time. He is the world record holder in the 100 meters, 200 meters and 4x100 meters relay. He is the most successful male in World Championship. Bolt is the first athlete to win 4 World Championship titles in the 200 meters and is one of the most successful in the 100 meter with 3 titles. His achievements as a sprinter have earned him the media nickname Lightning Bolt, and his awards include the IAAF World Athlete of the Year, Track and Field Athlete of the Year, BBC Overseas Sports Personality of the Year 3 times, and Laureus World Sportsman of the Year 4 times.
Hi, I am Reen Patricia, so we'll talk a little about Bolt's profile and achievements. Bolt was included in Time Magazine's 100 Most Influential People Championship when he finished third in his last solo 100-meter race, opted out of the 200-meter and pulled out injured in the 4x 100-meter relay final. Bolt's colorful, extrovert personality and his theatrical gesture on the track after winning an event in the Olympics or the World Championships brought an element of entertainment in the world of athletics. He also charisma and engaging personality, which make him Jamaica's Personality of the Year. Wherever he goes, he is given royal treatment, and he gave the fans a royal wave in London. He is a symbol of the power our Jamaicans to become top in their fields on the international scene. Bolt went to the seat of former colonial power and, as a representative of the former colonized people, demonstrated that we are the best. That's all from me.
Okay, hi, I'm Jaslyn from Best 19 taking course Diploma in Enforcement Management, and I'm here to talk about the personality types of Usain Bolt. First is resilience. Resilience is a shape function that elite athletes require to fight aggressive demands. A well-known declaration reads, "Attending to the pinnacle is easy, staying there's difficult." Usain Bolt built his resilience from endured fulfillment of fine effects and handling being the quickest guy within inside the world. Second is the self-belief. Self-belief is a function that elite athletes need to process. Although self-belief can fluctuate, elite athletes appear to have abundance quantities and get better fast from setbacks. Usain Bolt has stronger degrees of self-belief and hold those degrees continually attributable to in constructed self-belief. Okay, thank you.
A very good morning. My name is Punitham Lomnathan. Now I continue present question B, which is identify his personality types and discuss based on his behavior. Example: motivation is available in forms intrinsic and extrinsic. Becoming a legend is an exceptional purpose for elite athletes. Usain Bolt will need to copy his gold medal fulfillment in Rio 2016. To reach this goal, Usain Bolt may be putting objectives that target precise desires related to technique, physical process, overall performance and outcome. Pressure in recreation have to be loved, and absolutely Usain Bolt loves strength. Athletes who reveal instinct have an potential to manage plenty higher with aggressive demands. The 100-meter final is the premier event within sight the Olympics and contains with it substantial strength. The depth of this strength is what makes Usain Bolt a champion due to the fact he flourishes on his very purpose. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ignacio. I'm going to present about best way to talk to him or her based on personality, temperament, or natural trait. Build rapport. Before you ask questions, to get the Usain Bolt to open up or talk about how you can help, you have to build rapport. All else being equal, people buy from people they like. Be likable and focus on relationship building, and you will find your sales conversation will get so much more smoothly. Next, be human. To be human, to be personal, to be Next, be human. To be human, you have to be personal. To be precise, you need to be personalized every single thing when starting sales conversation. This includes both written conversation and calling. It takes time, but it pays off. True bots may be taking over some segment of the digital world. However, being a human is something that is always warmly welcomed. So forget your generic template and try to approach each prospect in a personal way. Be polite, positive, and open-minded. Show you are interested by asking for a short personal introduction. Do not push too hard for a sale if your prospect is not yet convinced.